Hello guys, it's Joey Dyer at Eco Panels of Tennessee. Today we're going to look at how to install your electrical outlets, your plugs, your switches into a SIP panel. Come join me. So here, the way we have to put our boxes in, it's a flush box. It's an industrial flush box, a 4x4 box. So it's got foam all the way around it. There's no thermal bridge there. There's no studs for that to tie into. So the way we got to manufacture it, it's got to be flush. So we have some people ask questions about how to install your plugs to get it flush. So this is a mud ring. Hard to see that, but that's a 1/2 inch. We're going to install a little piece of 1/2 inch drywall on this. So whatever you're using in your house, this comes in different thicknesses. This will go up to, I think, 1.25 inches. I've seen them. So whatever thickness finish you want to put on there, you can. If you want to use 2x6 tongue and groove, they make one for this. So the way to install these, it's got these little ears on it. You unscrew these screws just a little. When they come, they're going to be screwed all the way in, like that. So we're going to unscrew a little bit. Now we're going to put this ear in that. Just going to overhang that. Then we're going to tighten it up, and there's your mud ring. So I've got one built with 2 plugs in it, or 2 switches rather. So this is one built with the switches. Same ring as that. You can kind of see the ring. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and we'll put a little piece of sheetrock on this. So there's that. And of course the electrician would wire all that up before you put that on. We're not certified electricians, so get with your electrician about your codes and all of that. That's why I didn't put no wires on it, so you can just kind of see how that goes. Now I'm going to install the sheetrock. So of course this will be a full sheet, but this is going to go right over the plug. And the cool thing about the SIP product, the whole thing is a stud. So if you've ever installed regular drywall, you've got to hit a stud. The whole thing is a stud. So you can screw that anywhere you want. And I'm sorry if that's a little crooked. I'm just here showing a demonstration. So anywhere I want to screw in this is a stud. So if I want to screw here, here, wherever. So all of that, now my sheetrock's mounted. So now all I like, of course the electrician have all these wires run and all that. Now for my plate. And this is where everything will get flush. This is why we put the mud ring on. Don't need that tool. Need this one. And of course, we'd screw all of them. And a lot of electricians are really picky. They want that straight up. So we'll do that and let it look good. But now we've got a finished product. Got the wires in. Everything's flush. After you paint your sheetrock and everything, that's how your covers will look. So everything's smooth and flush. Thank you for watching.